So now let's see which ones of these benefits can actually be expected. Definitely the first one. The modular coding style typical of object-oriented approaches can and normally does increase reuse. Similarly, because of the characteristics of typical object-oriented systems, these systems are normally easier to change because they're more modular, they're more cohesive, they're more decoupled, and therefore all of this contributes to increase the maintainability of the resulting systems. So we're going to mark this benefit as well. There's really nothing about object-oriented systems that make them run faster, and therefore this is not a benefit that we can expect from the use of an object-oriented approach. Conversely, the last one is an expected benefit because normally the fact of designing real-world entities, which is one of the characteristics of the object-oriented approaches, does increase understandability. It's easier to understand the system because we can relate to the system, because we can recognize in the systems real-world entities that we are used to see and that we understand.